What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we are going to be discussing the 1998 Wide AM penny. So let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so whenever you come across a 1998 penny, you need to be checking for something very important on the reverse of the coin, and that is the Wide AM. So when the 1998 penny was minted, it was minted with a close AM. And what I mean by this is when you look at the reverse of the coin in America, the A and the M are touching. So if you find one that is not touching and it has a space between it, that is a rare mint error. Very valuable, and you can get a lot of money for these. In fact, I'm going to show you guys now just how much these are selling for currently. Check this out. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with someone. Happy hunting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.